welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, me and my brother are going to be playing Don't Press the Button. And I already pressed it.
I pressed the button.
Okay. Ah! Oh, we're gonna die.
It's a race.
I'm dodging it. I'm so tiny. No, I'm so
I can
small.
step on
No,
you.
don't step on me.
Oh, you're getting vacuumed.
No. Oh, I died. It's that vacuum. What's happening? Oh no! It's this part.
Get in here, get in here, get in here.
Oh!
I survived that.
Just kidding, get in, you
No!
won't die.
No!
Yeah.
No. What if I already died? No. Why could you trick me?
Because I wanted everybody to die.
Bruh, some people didn't die. It's not like you can talk to them.
What's that?
It's these merciful things. You gotta be careful. I got hit.
I haven't gotten hit yet.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh, they're gone now. I can press the button first. Oh! What the heck?
Why did the bomb explode?
I don't know.
And why did the button explode?
Maybe the button tricked us. What is this? What is this?
It's a thing. Marcia, why don't you stand right here?
No.
Okay.
No, you're... Bro. Dude.
It explodes us. Oh, and it's going down.
Look, it's an obby. I can, like, climb through the dead bones. Aaron, look, it's an obby. I can climb through the dead bones.
Well,
Where's the dead bones? Oh, Aaron, get back in line.
Oh gosh.
Yes!
Yeah! I killed you.
No, but you died too.
I don't care, I still killed you.
I don't care because I also killed you
My
too.
mission is to kill you.
My mission is to kill you.
Okay, great.
Let's just stop killing each other.
Oh. Whoa. I guess we have to keep killing each other then. That's a sign.
Oh my god.
Not these.
I died. How did I die? Did a ball touch me? I think a ball touched me, guys.
Wow. That's not good.
Oh look,
Alright.
I survived one time.
Good for you.
Good for you, as you died. You died once also.
I'm getting away from the button. I don't want it to explode.
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, I got a rocket launcher! Oh.
Bro!
Why did it explode me? I got it! Where's he done?
How do we survive this? Ah! He got in.
He's dead.
Aw. Too bad, but mostly not bad.
My goal is to kill everyone in this box.
What are you talking about? We're not inside a box.
We are.
I don't know. We're inside a bomb.
Go over there.
Oh no. Here comes stuff.
Oh.
If I stand here, how did I not die?
You didn't go in your direction.
Oh.
Huh? What is this?
I don't know. What if we press the button?
But I actually don't know what this is.
What if we press the
What
button?
is it?
Should I press the button?
No idea.
I don't know. Dude!
Wait,
What?
that guy never came back. Maybe there's something. Oh, I think he died.
Well, oh, we're playing that game again?
Oh, okay. Push.
Stop!
Bye. Yeah.
No one said
He
I.
died. How did you not die? Oh, this is so close to dying.
But I'm on fire. Ah, whoa. Oh my gosh. Why am I on fire?
Man.
Why am I on fire?
Mm.
Did you make me on fire?
What do you think fast? I got a rocket launcher!
Kill me.
Die! Oh.
You just killed yourself.
Mercy? I'm gonna blow up! Yeah!
Yeah, you killed me. That means I'm not gonna slash into fire.
Bye, guys.
What?
I don't. Oh, shit.
Yes. Told ya. And the buttons are going down. That's on fire.
It's noob.
The noob. It's the noob. That means we get large hands of scoring highs. Be careful because the bill might spin.
I'm going up here.
Me too. Oh no.
Ah. Nice slide.
Hey,
I'm not going down this time.
Oh no! No, it's
Nice.
just me and you and the baby.
What's gonna happen now? Oh, not this again.
It's the pool thing.
Mercy.
Hey, stop it, Aaron! Stop it, Aaron. I'm going to the other side.
No!
Too bad.
No.
Stop pushing me!
No, how are you not dying?
Because my wings are not part of the game. If you don't touch my wings still don't count as the game. Oh no! Oh no! No! How did I die? How did you not die? I think you died actually.
No, I'm still alive.
I'm still alive. Oh, bro! It almost touched me. King of them. I want to do something like bruh.
That's
Traitor. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Is that how you sing it? Holland. What happened?
Oh,
Oh my gosh! Bro! Dude!
I'm not here.
Me too. Ah! You got me. Just a little. Dude, he really got me. I'm low health. Okay. Look at my health.
Oh, shoot.
Oh,
That's
slow
not
down.
good. I'm here. Oh! I did not know that that the bomb was there.
I survived, but you pressed the button since you did survive. Oh, I'm on.
Again?
That's not part of the challenge.
Yeah, always have to challenge. No. Oh, I'm so close to getting you.
Stop fighting.
I'm gonna heal everyone in this.
No, I'm not.
What is it? It is loading LR. Huh? Oh, it's this. Mercy.
Aaron, stop it, or else you'll get attacked. Sorry,
Man.
get it.
Why didn't you just die? Huh?
I won't die.
that?
Oh, it's a platform.
Why is there a platform here?
I don't know. Maybe someone already pressed the button and we never saw it. Oh! Jeez, I do not like you exploding bomb.
Wait, it's happening twice?
What?
Guys,
What?
it's safe in here. It's safe in here.
Okay, let's go in.
Oh no! Yeah, ha ha ha! That guy died.
But you did eliminate
Bye.
me.
He died.
You didn't eliminate me though. You still need to eliminate me. I think I pressed the button. What do you do? You know I'm gonna go shop too. I got something too.
Hey, Mercy!
Hey! Ah! How did I get vacuum? That doesn't
I
make
put
any
targeting bombs.
How dare you? You're an evil person. You're an evil person. Anyway, please, I will give revenge. The devil is coming. My moment is back. Okay.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Parts. But what does that say? Point 7. No!
Oh, yeah.
Why do people keep vacuuming me?
Oh,
Whoever farted, it's gonna be you, Aaron. Aaron, I think you are gonna fire. Come on, quickly!
oh shoot. Can I finish this? Quick!
Oh no! But there's exploding bombs! Ah! No!
Finish it quick!
Ah!
No. No.
What happened? What happened?
No, finish now.
Ew, someone farted.
Oh no.
Ah! I think someone farted. Aaron, did you fart it?
No. It was you.
You always
I
fart.
can smell it.
No, I can smell it too, but it's you. Oh no! No! did you try to vacuum me?
No.
Oh, look, who's messing with the thing?
What?
Who's messing with the tiebreaker?
Oh, what's this?
What's this?
What should you say not talk about? And you die.
Oh, okay, I'm not gonna cheat anymore.
Alright. Mercy, your target is to death. It hit the TV.
Oh, yes, it did. I'm aware. I'm aware that if you're targeted by him, you will die.
It's targeting the TV.
Oh,
Oh, no, it's not. It's just us three.
okay. But where's the other people that were?
I don't know.
I remember there was 5 of us.
Oh.
Oh no. Yes.
No, I'm not letting you in! Oh, man. What?
No. No. How dare you?
Mercy, if you come in here with me, I'll die.
Okay.
No! Get in! No!
No one has got the card. Today's a puppy. Next button.
Gonna push it towards you. No, not there. Not there. No. Oh, man.
Joke's on you, Aaron. I killed you.
You really killed me. I killed myself.
Yes, but still, I killed. I get points. Points.
Oh, he's tiny.
I'm gonna smash on him. I'm actually killing him.
I killed him.
No, I killed him. Aaron.
Oh, that's not good. Wait, so what if I do this? Wait, actually, let's not push the button. Oh, never mind.
Why?
Loading noob! It's new!
Noob. Lord noob. You look seem kind of sweet. I'm gonna get ready. Hey, someone's trying to kill me.
Did he die?
No. Sadly. Are you gonna go? No.
I'm not gonna go in because just say I'm going in. I'm just kidding.
Me too.
I'm gonna complete this parkour. Oh shoot. Ah!
Oh! What the heck? What's happening?
Oh no no no!
I'm in the game.
No! Get out!
Aaron, I think you could. Aaron, look at me. I have enough.
Died.
Aaron, look at me. Yes.
I died.
Aaron, I think I just got an obby to complete.
I can't stop dying.
Sorry about that. I can't stop dying.
Dude, I can't stop dying. Bro! I can't. I'm leaving.
What? Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe for this video. Thank you. Bye guys. And we're